Hey, my name is James Nicholson and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about what I would do if I was going to start a new YouTube channel. Well, I've just recently done that. And so I want to talk about why the channel that I've made has been really successful in a very short period of time and what you can learn from that and help you on your YouTube journey. Now, we are on a journey to help entrepreneurs and business owners to get more leads and more sales in their business. And I want you to join us on that journey too. So to do that, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on all the new content that we've got. Now, YouTube is crowded. There are tons of channels out there. So is it too late to be successful in YouTube? Have you missed the boat? Well, no, you haven't. You see, I've just launched a new property YouTube channel, and already in 2 months, that property channel is beating some competitors that I planned to try and overtake 3 months from now. And the reason for that is that we've niched down. Now, that's really, really important. And that's one lesson that I want you to take away here is to niche down. So say you're a marketing agency, for example. Now, you could make a marketing channel like this one, which is quite broad, but you could also make a marketing channel that is just for estate agents. And by doing that, you're going to be that expert, that authority to that market, which is a huge market. There are tons, thousands, hundreds of thousands of real estate agents that need help getting leads and sales. And so when you can be that one and get that blue ocean and say, you know what, this is me, then that really, really works. So first and foremost is to niche down. When you niche down, you will stand out in the market. Secondly, is to keep just talking about one topic. Now that's very, very important. So on a property channel, we just talk about property. We don't talk about other ways of making money. You see, that audience that comes in, they're not necessarily interested in property. They want to make some money. But we don't start talking about cryptocurrency, for example. We don't talk about stocks and shares on that. We just focus on property investing. And when you do that, what will happen is they will find you from the YouTube algorithm. You will get views. However successful is your channel is, you're going to get some views from the YouTube algorithm if you make a few videos, right? Now, what they then want to do is then watch more content around that topic. And if you jump from one topic to another topic, to another topic, to another topic, then they're going to leave, right? And so on my property channel, we talk about property. So any property video that they watch, the next video that they're going to get recommended is another property video. And that means that they're likely to stick on the channel. And YouTube really loves that, right? The longer you can keep that person on your channel watching more content, the more adverts that YouTube can show to them, the more money that YouTube can show to them. And it also is giving more value to that person, right? That viewer wanting to learn about property. And so if you can go back to back like that. Whereas if I said, look, here's a video on Bitcoin now, for example, it's not relevant because they've done a search. They've looked for a topic around property, and that is what they want to do, right? So that's a next tip, is to really, really just focus down on the niches and make sure that you really do make content consistently around a particular topic. That's important. Next is to be consistently posting, right? So that property channel, we post every single day. And what I want you to do is to test your audience. Now, first, you might just post once a week, or you might post once a month, whatever it is that works for you, but it needs to be consistent. The audience need to know that if they get new content, they can watch it every single day because that's what they want to do. If they want to learn about property, they don't want to wait a month for the next video. They want to watch back-to-back property videos and get educated and take them on that journey. Now, if you don't do that, they're going to find someone else in that niche and start watching their content, subscribing to that channel, buying their product or service. And so consistency is important, and YouTube really, really, really likes that. That's very, very key. Now, when you start on YouTube, you're going to have 0 subscribers. So you post a video and no one's going to look for it, right? Because they don't know you exist. And so what's very important at the beginning is you make content that is searchable, what people are actually searching for. And what I mean by that, and an easy way to do that, is to go to the bar at the top of YouTube and just start typing in what you think your video title is going to be and see, does it come up as a prediction? And so good video titles are along the lines of things like how to, right? How to. One of our students, Fabio, he's got a great channel and it's what temperature to bake a pizza, right? I didn't think that would get lots of searches, but he's got tens of thousands of views on this video, if not hundreds of thousands now. What temperature to bake a pizza, which is crazy, right? We've got Cindy, who runs a mentoring business for salon owners. And so she's got videos around how to get more clients in your hair salon, how to get more clients in your beauty salon. You imagine if you own a beauty salon, that's what you're going to type into the search box, isn't it? And that's what you've got to make content around. We've got health and wellness people that have help with psoriasis, and they will make videos around things like how to cure psoriasis, how to stop psoriasis itching, how to improve my psoriasis, how to get rid of psoriasis fast. This is what people search for. And when you start a channel, you have to make that content that they're looking for. Then what happens is you get subscribers, right? And then once you've got like 1,000 subscribers, which will take, I don't know, it depends on how quick you make content and how popular your content becomes. But once you've got some subscribers, then you can make content around whatever you want. If you've heard of Tony Robbins, or if you've heard of, obviously, you know, David Beckham, I'm sure. If David Beckham put out a content video, he could title it whatever he wanted. He could just say Beckham, and people would find that video. And the reason for that is because he's already got an audience. You don't have an audience when you start out on YouTube. And so that's really important that you build that. Next is build that community. And so on our property channel, we've got a theme around it. We've got a journey that we're on. And the journey that we're on that channel is I'm building a portfolio for my 2 daughters. So I've got Georgia, who's 21, and Amelie, who's 1. And we're currently buying properties together for my daughters to leave a legacy, right? And so I tell people that on the channel. All the other property trainers, all they talk about is how much money they make, right? They're bragging, they're pictures of Lamborghinis and helicopters and big houses and stuff like that. And that attracts some people, right? But I don't want to be that person, and I want to be more authentic. And so I teach people what I'm doing for my family to build a legacy, right? So my family can't run my business if I pass away, but they can take on my property portfolio. And so when I build that out, I make that very, very clear. So give it a reason. I watch a YouTuber called Paddy, and he gets us to join us on a journey. He's visiting all the provinces in Thailand he's just recently done on a motorbike, right? Now he's doing it in Vietnam. And so there's storytelling there. There's reasons to go from one episode to the next episode. And that works very well on my property thing, because we started out by buying the property at auction together, right? So I made a video of the online auction, of the bidding, what I analyzed before buying that property. Then I showed them that I bought it, which is social proof, because some people aren't doing property deals for educating property. And then I showed when we got to the property. Then I showed the refurbishment in probably 4 or 5 videos now, the stages of that refurbishment, which has gone great. But I also talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. So I talk about builders letting me down, about things not getting done fast enough. I talk about like the valuation getting pulled forward, and all these things that all come together. And that's really, really critical here, to have some reason why people will join you on a journey. So I hope you found that interesting. And this is what I would be doing if I was really launching a YouTube channel in any year, like whenever you watch this video. But if I was launching another YouTube channel today, I would have it in a niche. I would make sure that the titles are searchable, what people are looking for. I'd get them to get some story and why you're doing the channel and what the outcome is, and so they want to subscribe. and join you. So hope you found that useful. Do give me a quick like on the video, comment below, let me know your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel, guys. This journey is all about building and scaling your business and taking it to the next level. Now, if you want to grab my book, I'd love to give you a free copy of my book, Expert Mastery. So in the description, I'll put a link and you can buy that today. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.